Welcome back to We Shoot Films. Today, we're going to be in Davinci Resolve, where I'm going to show you probably the easiest and laziest way to create chapters for your videos. But first, a quick commercial. Got green screen footage but need it transformed into something epic? Let me take your visuals to the next level using Unreal Engine. I'll craft stunning cinematic scenes that bring your ideas to life, whether it's a music video, short film, or branded content. All right, so here we are, y'all. We're inside Davinci Resolve. Let me grab my file that I'm gonna put in here. Let me grab anything here, don't matter. And there you go. Bring it in. And there we go. All right, y'all. So this is just something the video doesn't matter. Like I said, I'm showing you how to create chapters because, chapters are important. People like them because they can skip, to the next thing. They don't want to hear you or whatever. They want to get to the point. And so chapters help do that. Now, in Davinci Resolve, it's very easy to create chapters, and upload them directly from Davinci Resolve if you want to. Now, I don't do that. I'll tell you why a little bit later, why I don't usually upload them directly from Davinci, but I do utilize the upload in order to make creating chapters easy. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. All right, so let's set it all up. All right, to get this set up, go to Davinci, hit your preferences. All right, you want to go to System, and you want to go to Internet Accounts, and this is where you're going to sign into your accounts so that you can connect Davinci with your accounts. Then hit User, hit Editing, and make sure all of these are zeroed out. Very important for chapters. They all got to be zeroed out, okay? Hit Save. Then we're all good. All right, so let's create some chapters. Now, all you got to do is click the M twice. There you go. You can choose whatever color you want. I'm going to stick to blue. And let's call this the intro. And then let's go here and create another one. And we'll call this, acting. It doesn't matter. And then we'll call here, do another one. We'll call this how to. Go here, do another one. I'll call it hello. It really doesn't matter. I'm just creating them just for the heck of it. Behind the scenes. All right. Now, also make sure if you don't see it, so you see it created the chapters for us right here already. We got them. And if you don't see this, it's in the index. So up here, you click on index and make sure you click on markers. All right. And there we go. We got them. So what do? Go to the end of this and I'm going to hit 0. So it's going to only export from here to there. All right. And then we go to the deliver page. Now on the deliver page, we'll call this BTS Greenscreen test, just for the heck of it. Put whatever you're gonna put here, whatever your settings are that you like to work with. And down here, you see it says YouTube settings. So click on there. And now it's important up here too, just in case, I always click chapters for markers, and then here upload directly to YouTube, and here chapters for markers. You can put your title, description, your privacy, you can put a thumbnail in there, all of that stuff. Now this is the part where I'm gonna tell you why I don't usually upload all the way in Davinci Resolve, because if you have a template, everybody got their little template that they like to use. Davinci Resolve isn't going to upload the template, okay? It's just going to upload it, and then you're going to have to, paste your template in yourself. So just don't like that. And sometimes it takes longer to upload, I find. So, but I want the chapters. That's all I want. I don't want to have to go in manually clicking and all that. So that's why I'm doing this. So anyway, there you go. Once you got all that stuff, all right, just go ahead and click add to render, and you're gonna find out where you're gonna render it at. Desktop. We're gonna put it on my desktop and just click render all. Now, once it finishes rendering everything, all right, you're gonna find that it's gonna say uploading. And then once it's saying uploading, that's when we're gonna go to YouTube and copy the chapters that it created for us. But it has to render completely, all right, just like it regularly would. This is in real time right now what we're doing. There you go. So you see right now, it's almost done, and we're about to go to boom. Come on, uploading. So you see it's uploading. So now we just go to YouTube, go to your videos, and as you see, it should say BTS green screen test, and there it goes. We have our chapters already labeled and counted, all of that good stuff. Hit copy, create a new upload, throw a video in there, paste it, and you good. You got your chapters. You good money. And then right here, just stop the upload, and that's about it. That's it. You now have all your chapters that you need. I love it because I hate creating chapters. I used to hate creating chapters, and now this makes it easier. I just had the other day, somebody got mad because I didn't put chapters in my last video. And I get it. Sometimes people want to just skip to the point, and I get it. But I forget sometimes, or I just get annoyed by them. But they are important for those type of reasons. For those reasons, people want to get to the point sometimes and all of that stuff. So I understand it. But, that's all. Just wanted to let you know that it's there. That's the easiest way I do it. I know it's maybe quirky or weird, or I don't know. Hopefully it helped you out. I don't know, it's a workaround for me because I don't want to do all that extra. So, but that's about it, y'all. I'm just chilling. I just thought that's something y'all might want to know. Also, if you like any other Davinci Resolve tutorials, I be losing my mind sometimes, Lord, like forgetting what I'm gonna say. If you want any more other Davinci Resolve tutorials, let me know. I can definitely do a lot of those. But which I probably might do anyway, just to expand, you know what I mean? Because usually I'm here doing Unreal Engine and cinematic stuff, but editing is a big part of all of that too. So whatever. See, I'm running on. I talk a lot, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. Now, y'all not probably watching this anyway. Y'all already got the information, so this is just gravy. You feel me? Subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is, y'all. I'm out.